Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the exciting Tech Travel Geeks unboxing of the Amazon Fire 7. This is the first in a series of videos we'll be doing, covering the Amazon Fire 7 in depth, as we're going to be using this as our main travel tablet for quite a while. So the Amazon Fire 7 comes from a fine lineage of Amazon products, Amazon Fire tablets, and this is the latest affordable one, which I just purchased on Amazon for £59.99. So let's look at the packaging. It's a simple box, there's no wedge at the top this year, and at the back there's a few details. It just highlights the fact that you can get Roblox on, which is a very popular app amongst the young ones. It has a 7.8-inch display, that's 1024 by 600, so it's not a high definition display, but for the price, nothing to complain about. It has a front and rear camera. It is Alexa capable, so you can use Alexa on it. It has a quad-core processor, micro SD slot, and 2 GB of RAM. So that's really an impressive setup for the price. So for £59.99, if you think of the Fruity Tablet Company, you could barely buy a case for it for that. But the packaging here is as simple as it has been in previous years. Very little plastic. So in this case, the plastic strip that I've just taken off the packaging and the part covering the tablet. In the box we have a USB charger, a quick welcome pack, and that's it. So let's have a look at the USB cable first. So this is a USB Type A to USB Type C cable. So the Amazon Fire 7 is now a truly modern device using USB Type C. This will be handy when traveling because it means that you most likely just need to take the one cable and charger that will work with most smartphones except for the Fruity ones and Amazon Fire tablets. This is a great update to the Amazon Fire 7. The charger itself is a small Amazon one. Let's take the wrapper off this. So it is a little bit plasticky, but we'll take that off. And as you can see, it's a simple one with some Amazon branding there. And then this is a 5-watt charger, so the output is 5 volts at 1 amp. It's not a lot, but for a device this price and that doesn't require that much power, that's more than enough. So let's take the plastic packaging off and have a look at the device. So there we go, we've got the Amazon Smile in there. This is the denim colored Amazon Fire 7. I went for denim just because I like the blue in this case. And you can see that embossed smile, it is in landscape mode, which is a noticeable feature because this device is meant to be used in landscape mode. We can tell that from the fact that you have that logo there, and the selfie camera or the video calling camera here is in the middle of the long side of the screen. So this is a device meant to be used in landscape. This is a 7-inch 1024 by 600 display. We'll look at that in a moment. We have a single speaker at the top left of the device. On the right hand side we have the Courage port, or the 3.5mm audio jack, so you can connect wired headphones if you wish to. There's a USB Type C port for data and charging. We just saw the cable for that. Volume up and down rocker with a microphone hole, and the power button. At the bottom, nothing to talk about apart from the micro SD slot section. So we will be doing a dedicated video on how to expand your Amazon Fire 7 with a micro SD card. But for now, we'll set it up in the next video without one. The inbuilt storage in this case is 16 GB. That's a lot more than in previous models. I will be putting this through its paces and doing a few how-to videos as well. Let's just very briefly look at the screen, that 1024 by 600 screen. Amazon logo coming up. We'll wait till it to come through. Ooh, nice little fire animation. This is running a newer version of Fire OS, which is based on or forked from a newer version of Android compared to previous Amazon Fire 7s. Don't worry, we'll also be doing a comparison with the 2019 model and maybe even the 2015 model to give you an idea of how it is. But first impressions are that the screen is nice and clear, nice and legible, and it's a nice screen for the price. So what I'm going to do is switch that off for now and invite you to subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks if you don't already. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. Amazon Fire tablets are definitely part of that category. And as I said, we'll be doing a series of videos on this device. If you would like to know more and don't get what you're looking for in this video or the following videos on the Amazon Fire 7, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.